Yeah.
Let me show you what's going on with your clouds and radar here. Dry skies over central Texas. We've got, at this point, still black and white camera. Sunrise this morning is going to be 7:02. We're almost there. I expect this camera to light up with some vibrant colors once that sun does come up. But the Covington Sellers camera at least showing us we've got clear skies above the horizon. Temperature difference, little warmer out there, especially west of I-35. We are going to be talking about a significant warming trend for the next several days. Doesn't feel like it now. It's still chilly with 30s and 40s, but remember yesterday we had widespread 30s. In fact, we got awfully close to a freeze in downtown Austin, got to 34. The airport dropped into the 20s, but temperatures should slowly but surely get warmer both in the afternoon and overnight. High of 76 today, mainly sunny skies. We've got a south-southwest wind at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Hold that thought. Let's talk temperatures area-wide today because we should be in the upper 60s. But not only do we have sunshine, we still have high pressure building over the region and that southerly wind, all of that playing into this warming trend that really kicks into high gear today. Now, the wind is going to be a problem, not necessarily because of the direction, it's the speed. The wind gusts likely to be 20 to 30 miles per hour today. And we're going to do the same thing tomorrow. Sustained speeds 10 to 20, but wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour possible. Even Thursday, we've got gusty winds. But here's the thing about Thursday. Thursday, these winds are northerly, follows a cold front that's going to blow through the area during the daytime. I think the wind speeds will be about the same, 20 to 30 with the gusts, but the direction matters. The direction, that's a dry wind coming in, so the wildfire risk remains. Today, it's going to be moderate to high here in this yellowish color, and we are not alone. I mean, look at the wildfire risk up north, even higher with 4 out of 5 here in orange, even 5 out of 5, those pockets of extreme fire danger out towards West Texas and the big country that we'll have to be mindful of. Little bit of moisture recovery with these southerly winds, but cold front's just going to push all that back out over the Gulf once we hit Thursday, and then maybe a little bit more heading into the weekend. Problem is high pressure is keeping the storm track too far away, so we're seeing these glancing blows with the cold fronts attached to the storms, but anything direct, not happening in the next 7 days. 7-day forecast does show 70s and 80s with gusty winds today, tomorrow, and Thursday. That front comes through Thursday with no rain, just a slight cool down puts us in the lower 80s Friday. Highs in the 80s to start March. These overnight lows in the 50s and 60s for the next 6 to 7 nights. Erica.
All right, thanks.